Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how can you speed up your Windows 11 PC that is running slow. So the first thing you can try is click on your taskbar and go to taskbar settings, or you can directly go to task manager, and in here you'll find the startup apps. So here go to the startup tab. So from here, you can find the apps that are enabled for startup. So you can disable them from here. So you have to right click on them and tap on disable and they will be disabled. And make sure to disable them which are affecting or the startup impact is high. So make sure to do them for the first. And then you have to just go to the search option in here. And here search for this one. And here write TMP and click on OK. And this will appear. Press Ctrl plus A to select all of them. And press Shift plus Delete to delete all these permanently. Press Enter. And this will be deleted. Now again go to the one. And now write temp percentage. Click on OK. Now press on your keyboard Ctrl plus A and press Shift plus Delete to delete all of them permanently. Press Enter and this will be deleted. So this might take a while to delete. Click on Skip and let these get deleted automatically. And then go to Skip. Do this for all current items. And once the temporary files cleaning is done, you can try increasing your virtual memory so that your PC starts speed up. So yeah, these are the 3 things you can follow to speed up your PC, whether it is Windows 10 or 11. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.